Have you faced the problem with the Telegram limit being exceeded? Try again later while logging into your account? Don't worry. Here's the guide on how to fix that limit exceeded problem and try again later issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. To check your internet connection, open any browser and search any website you wish, or you can open YouTube and check if it's opening or keeps loading. If you have issues with your internet, then enable the airplane mode for 20 seconds, or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 1. Update your Telegram app. Open the App Store, search Telegram. If you find any updates, then please update the app. Now open the Telegram app and check whether it's fixed or not. If you still have the issue, then try the next solution. Solution 2. Offload the Telegram app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Telegram app. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button, and then tap on Offload again. Now reinstall the app. After that, if you still have the problem, then try the last solution. Change your IP and try to use the Telegram app. Download any VPN, connect to any server or country, and try to use the Telegram app to check if the problem is solved or not. So, hopefully your problem will be solved. If you have any questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.